To heat press CAD-PRINTZ Sublimation Transfers, load your garment or your item onto the press, ensuring that the printing area is completely flat. At that point, you're ready to set up your temperature and your time. Sublimation transfers from stalls apply at 395 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. I've also programmed a preheat of 5 seconds to help prepare my garment for application, removing the moisture and the wrinkles. Now I'm ready to set my pressure. Sublimation transfers require medium pressure. I have a pressure adjustment knob over the center of this machine that I can adjust, and when I lock the machine down, it will read out a pressure on the control board. In this case, I'm at a 3 on a 0 to 9 scale. For medium pressure, I want to be more at a 4, 5, or 6. So I'm going to turn the knob clockwise to increase the pressure, then lock the machine down again, and now I'm at a 5. During this process, I'm conducting the preheat to get all the moisture out of the garment. Now my sublimation transfer comes just like this. It's printed in a mirror image, and it's ready to flip over and place onto the garment. These will be cut with hard edges, or you can cut them yourself. What I've done is I've actually torn the paper at the edge to create more of a soft edge, so I don't see the pressing lines in the garment after application. I'll position my print down, cover it with a cover sheet as well, just to make sure the sublimation ink doesn't bleed through to my heater. And then I'm ready to lock the press down for the 60-second application. Now, as it's counting down, I want to talk to you a little bit about sublimation transfers. You want to make sure that you are heat applying, if you're going to apparel, to a garment that is a light color like this white, so the print shows through. It's actually dyeing the fabric. You'll also want to make sure your garment is at least 65% polyester content. As you go up in polyester content, you'll get more vibrancy in your print. This is 100% polyester white garment from Vapor Apparel that I'm applying. Once the application is completed, I can remove the cover sheet and I can remove the backing from the sublimation print while it's hot and reveal my completed result. A nice vibrant print that blends in with the fabric. It doesn't have a feel at all on the garment.